Today we're gonna do a knife boat. In the down there gonna be a knife, and in the up it gonna be a full boat. We're gonna do with some paper. First you need some scissors and just you have to just fold it like this, like a square, and cut it over here. I just already did it over here, and I'll just not take the scissors. You can just use these, and you can use these papers, color chart papers. Okay, and let's just start it with some keys. Okay, first step is you have to just fold it like this, and next step like this. You have to make like a samosa and just fold one half over here. Okay, the next half over here. There will be two over here, and you have to fold it like this. Fold it over here. You just made it inside. Just do it like this. This is now sandwich too. Okay, let's just do it. Now you just do like this. Next is just take two over here and just put your thumb inside and just fold it like this. And let's just open it like this, and then another one over here. Let's open it, and the boat is done. See it over here, the knife over there. Okay guys, now let's do the next one. Okay, now first let's do like this. Okay, like this. Now like this. Now like a sandwich, one over here and one over here. Okay, now let's just put this over here. And let's just do like this and do it like this. This is like a sandwich and a samosa. Now let's do it like this and over here and over here. Okay, now let's just take this two over here, and let's take this one over here, and let's just do like this, this and this. It's like a diamond now. Okay, now let's just take this, do it like this again. Okay, now let's just do it like this. Now let's just take this one, take it like this, and guys, to do it like this inside. Okay, and the boat is done again. Okay guys, let's put it over here. Now I'll just show you over here, and slowly over here, and just see it over here, and slowly over here. Okay, now slowly and in the down. This is the knife over here. Now guys, let's do in chart paper. Okay, now let's take this chart paper and put it here, and let's use orange color. Okay, now let's start it. First, let's do it like this. Okay, guys, we have to do a burger. Now I'm gonna do a normal boat. First, you should take one size over here and 3 size over here. Okay, now just do like this and do like this and do it. Now let's open it up. Open right now. Open. And ta-da! Oh my gosh, so amazing. Let's put it in the center. Okay, all my friends are these. Okay, now these boats gonna go in the water. Here's the water in the tub. Now let's put the boats. Let's just put the big ones over here. Now this one. Oh my gosh. Now let's take it out. It's getting so big. Now let's put the 3 boats. One over here. And one over here. Oh my gosh. And one over here. Another one. There's a pink one over here. Okay, now put it. Guys, now so amazing. Now let's put this one over here. Okay, guys, these are floating now. Super, this is so super floating over here. See down. There's some knife. The big ones have the biggest knife and the smallest have the smallest knife. Oh my gosh. I'll just show me. Can you see me? The water? Oh my gosh. I'm just keep my hand over here. Oh my gosh. Just see my hand over here. Oh my gosh. Just see my hand over here. Okay guys, I just have an idea. Let's put the water in the boat. Guys, these boats are just going white inside. And here it's just going orange. Just see the pink one. Oh, it's going watery. Okay guys, let's see this one. Oh my gosh, I think I have an idea. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and put your mask and put your hand wash and be at home and bye. Peace up.